helping to protect the protesters, to avoid hooligans and intruders into the protest. I have with me the NLC Head of International Relations, Comrade Uche. Tell us, has the pulling out or otherwise not joining the protest by TUC affected this process?
You can see yourself, it has not affected it by any means. The crowd is here. Nigerian people know what they want. Workers know what they want. And they are speaking. And they are speaking across the states right now.
So, where are you taking the protest to? From Labour House to where?
National Assembly.
Do you have a petition you're submitting?
Yes, we are submitting a petition.
What is contained in that petition?
The petition has all the catalog of the challenges, from the cost of food, to the cost of transportation, to challenges of insecurity. We are putting out that and calling government to become proactive and do something immediately, because we can't go on like this.
We have seen some civil society led by opposition like Omoyele Shoere. What message do you think that is sending to the federal government?
Well, I don't know about being opposition. They are Nigerians, basically. The NLC have called out people, so we can't stop anybody from joining. Anybody who feel concerned won't do that. But what we won't allow is for anybody to be unruly. But being any Nigerian that joins us, who has pain of the present system, you can say no, you can't express or protest.
Okay, we understand this is a 2-day protest. You had a meeting with government yesterday. Is there a possibility that this meeting has made you to just hold this protest for just 1 day?
Well, it is, we're a negotiating body. So some concessions, but what we want is to see something proactive happening. And some things, they are beginning to show some seriousness. We know that they wait until protest before they react. So if we see more, we have made the point. Because this is even a warning for the border of strikes.
Thank you very much. You have heard from the horse's mouth that this is a warning to the mother of all strikes. We hope, Nigerians are hoping that the federal government will handle the situation so that it will not result to a full-blown strike. Amechi.
Look at the signboard. Are you seeing it? AIT.
Yes.
We are annoyed. Things are happening in this country. The government are now helping matters. My name is Engineer Ben, AEDC Abuja.
We are protesting about the situation of the country. You can see that as it stands today, there are a lot of things that the government promised. They've not been able to fulfill it. You can see the hiking prices of food and commodity in the nation. There's no stabilization of dollar. It keeps going up, it keeps coming down. So the labor is coming out to ventilate his anger and tell the government they need to do the needful.
We've learned that they've removed subsidy and they've been able to generate out of it to save up to 1 trillion naira per month, We are asking, what are they using the money for? Nigeria want to know. If they don't know what to do with the money, we are asking them to reinvest it in agriculture. Let there be food, and let Nigeria feel the impact of the subsidy removal.
Thank you.
We see the government doesn't know that they have the responsibility of providing security, food. If these common things are not available for the masses, let me tell you, we will never be able to end insecurity.
Thank you.
So we are telling the government that they should be up and doing to their responsibility. The primary responsibility of every government is to provide security, food for the people.
We want food, enough, everything is sufficient. Petrol, let it come down so that the masses can eat and have better health. Every facility, let them amend or else.
Why are you protesting?
We are hungry. We are hungry in Nigeria. The government don't want to sell our price. We are saying give us food.
Hello? Is it free? So tell me, why are you protesting?
We are tired from poverty.
Yes.
We are tired. No security.
Why are you protesting?
Hey, we are hungry.